Thanks, Paul, and good morning. Now, cloud-based image recognition, or Cloud Reco as we refer to it, represents a major step forward for Vuforia. And for those of you with Vuforia experience, you know that our image recognition works using an image database on the device. You also know our image recognition and tracking are best in class. And our database today holds about 80 images based on size, average size. Now that has enabled you to build some amazing experiences, as you just saw. But if you happen to be a retailer and you've got hundreds or thousands of products, that's just not going to cut it. Well, today we're changing all that. We're going to enable your apps to use databases of over 1 million images in the cloud. And that's going to enable some fundamentally new experiences, and specifically some in mobile shopping that solve some real problems for retailers and the kind with physical stores. So it's no secret that a lot of us are buying more and more products online that we used to buy in stores, and perhaps we take for granted some of the advantages of online shopping. For example, the ability to get detailed product information, available sizes, colors, or view reviews and comments. We simply can't do that easily in physical stores. Well, let's see how Vuforia can now meet that challenge with the help of Cloud Reco. So I'm going to show you a demo today, and we're using an HTC One X with a Snapdragon S4 processor, and I've got it attached to this rig with a camera so you can see it behind me. And then we've also got a display here exactly as it would appear in an American Apparel store. So let's take a look at what the UI looks like for Cloud Reco first. So I'd like to call your attention to this scan line that's moving up and down. And you'll notice as that scan line is moving up and down, it's revealing green dots. Now those green dots are telling our application and Vuforia what in the environment we can actually see. And we're using that information to intelligently send camera frames from the device to the cloud where they're recognized so we can get information back. Okay, so let's do a little shopping. Now, I've tried on these hoodies and I found out that I fit in a size large, but I'd like to get a little bit more variety in color. So let's see how I might do that in the store. So I'm simply going to point my device at this sign. This is the same sign you'd see in American Apparel. And we'll see the green dots for a second, the scan line move. Let's come back and try it again. And we are dealing with the joy of many people connected to Wi-Fi in this room. So we'll give it a second. Come back again. So a couple things are happening. In addition to us doing the Reco, which we saw right there, we're actually going out and pulling this content down from the cloud. So we do have the network connectivity going on too. So you'll see what happened there once we were able to get all of our server requests fulfilled. The sign actually popped out of that camera image and became part of the application's UI. So now you can see I have all this information right around the sign. So I can actually drag this little color slider here, because I don't think that fuchsia really suits me, if that's fuchsia. And as I drag, I can see different colors. I go, I think I'll go for white. Now, of course, that white is not on the rack, but I can just tap Buy Online and go ahead and complete that transaction while I'm in the store. So let's take a look at another example, these shoes. Now, I know these shoes have got to be cool, because they're coming from American Apparel. But I am no fashion expert, and I would get a little more comfort if I could see some reviews for other folks that have tried these or purchased those. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing we did with the hoodie. And let's go ahead and point at the sign for the shoes. And we got exactly the same effect. Popped right out of the environment, became part of our UI, and now I can go and look at the reviews. So here I can see all these different comments. I love these shoes. I want these, but they're too small. Okay, this is the confidence I was looking for. So these are just a couple examples of what Cloud Reco can enable for mobile shopping. But this is really just the beginning. This is a whole new capability, and it enables fundamentally new experiences and new monetization opportunities. We're making it available in a private beta today. So please come see us in the Innovation Showcase to learn more and get a head start on building great new AR experiences with Euphoria. Thanks so much.